Video 652 of the Atomic Ivy MMO documentation. We're on Bombs for Josh Part 2 of Who Knows, and we're creating the ABOMB08 system. The ABOMB08 system is going to store the graphics for shader number 8, which is going to be the shader we're going to use for the Bombs for Josh task. The source code is here. You're on the fast playlist here on Kanji Coder. If you want a longer explanation, go here to Ninja Coder. Let's go. So in the system index within 0 dependencies, we've added the ABOMB system right here. Chronologically, it is system 45, but in dependency chain order, it is system number 3. Within const macros by system, we have added the constants for the ABOMB system. Nothing is here yet. Within the top level data by system section, we have added this ABOMB section for the data associated with the ABOMB system. There is no top level data. Notice that this data is only going to exist when we are not in the Node.js environment. Therefore, all of this data must be declared with the var keyword. Down here is the ABOMB function section. Now, I don't think we're actually going to have any function code for this. I think this will be a data-only namespace. However, for the uniformity of my codebase, we must have this section in the codebase. This is the beginning of the section, left justified, the end of the section, right justified. The 45 is because it is 45th chronologically the system. This number will never ever change because it's the chronological order in which the system was added to the codebase. This is what we did previously, and then down here are all of our footnotes, and here is what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, go here. You are on the fast playlist on Kanji Coder, and if you just want technical demos, go here to Weeb Coder. Ways of getting a hold of me are down here, and the source code for this video is here. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I am making a game engine and a game from complete scratch in JavaScript using a C99 data-oriented design style. So if you want to see how to make a fractal geometry bomb game, then you're at the right place. Like and subscribe.